Palm sanders are compact, handheld power tools used to smooth and finish wood surfaces quickly and evenly. They are lightweight, easy to control, and ideal for DIY projects, furniture work, and detailed sanding tasks where precision and a smooth finish are important. Starting at number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Orbital Sander. The DEWALT sander is a battery-powered tool designed for efficiency and precision, featuring a brushless motor that enhances runtime. It operates with variable speed control ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, allowing users to adjust the speed according to their specific sanding needs. Its low-profile height enables close proximity to the work surface, ensuring accurate sanding results. The sander is equipped with a replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding padders model DIA WE64233, facilitating quick and easy paper changes. Additionally, it has a dust-sealed switch that protects against dust ingestion, promoting a longer switch life, and features a texturized rubber overmold grip for comfortable handling during use. The product dimensions are 8.81 inches in length, 6.38 inches in width, and 5.75 inches in height, and it operates at a voltage of 20 volts. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander. The BLACK+DECKER High-Performance Orbit Sander is a 2.0 amp corded electric tool designed to provide a swirl-free finish while delivering an impressive 12,000 orbits per minute (OPM) for efficient sanding. Its lightweight and compact design allows it to fit into tight spaces, making it versatile for various sanding tasks. The built-in dust collection system helps maintain a clean workspace by keeping dust and debris contained, while the comfort grip handle ensures comfortable use with reduced fatigue. Additionally, the random orbital action promotes a high material removal rate, along with a superior finish, and the hook and loop system facilitates quick and easy changes of sanding paper. With dimensions of 7L SWASIF BU-BIS 6H and operating on 120 volts, this sander is a practical choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BDEM 600 Sander. The BLACK+DECKER product features dimensions of 10.25 inches in length, 4.63 inches in width, and 5.44 inches in height, making it a compact tool suitable for detailed and precise work, especially in cramped corners and tight spaces. It operates on a corded electric power source with a voltage of 230 volts AC, ensuring unlimited runtime and continuous power for even the most demanding tasks. This tool is designed with a comfort grip that enhances control and reduces fatigue during use. It includes a detail finger attachment for accessing hard-to-reach spots and a detail sanding pad that fits into odd angles. Additionally, it boasts a high-performance dust collection canister that effectively keeps the work surface clean by minimizing sawdust and debris. Number 4. BOSCH ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander. The BOSCH hand sander is a corded electric tool designed for achieving a smooth finish on both flat and contoured surfaces, thanks to its innovative pad dampening system that eliminates swirl marks. With product dimensions of 9 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, it features a powerful 2.5 AMP motor that allows for variable speed control, ranging from 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, enabling users to match the speed to their workpiece and task effortlessly. The sanding pads can be easily attached using Bosch's signature hook and loop disc attachment system, which functions similarly to Velcro. Additionally, the sander is equipped with a micro-filter dust collection system that captures fine dust particles as small as 1/2 micron in diameter, ensuring a cleaner workspace. The durable and compact twist-off dust canister displays the dust level and detaches easily for mess-free operations. The kit includes essential components such as a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and a carrying bag for convenience. Number 5. WEN 6301 Electric Palm Sander. The WEN electric sander features compact dimensions of 5.5 inches in length and width, with a height of 3.12 inches, making it easy to handle and maneuver. It operates on a powerful 1 amp motor that delivers an impressive 13,500 oscillations per minute, OPM, ensuring efficient sanding performance. Weighing only 2 pounds, this lightweight tool is designed for precision work, equipped with a 3.75 x 5.5 inch pad and an angled tip. Additionally, it includes a dust collection port to help minimize loose sawdust during use, and a Velcro base pad for easy removal and installation of sandpaper. The sander is powered by a corded electric source and operates at 120 volts, making it a reliable choice for various sanding tasks.